Today, we will talk about homemade dividends. Homemade dividends are a form of investment income generated from the sale of a portion of an individual's investment portfolio, which differs from traditional dividends that a company's board of directors distributes to certain classes of shareholders. Investors creating their own homemade dividends raises questions about the value of traditional dividends. Some experts argue that since a stock price decreases by the amount of the dividend on its ex-dividend date, it neutralizes any financial gains. This concept forms the basis of the dividend irrelevance theory, claiming that investors do not need to pay attention to a company's dividend payment policy, as they can sell portions of their equity portfolios to generate cash. Opponents argue that selling a portion of the portfolio results in fewer shares and a depleted asset base, despite short-term monetary gains. A company's board of directors declares dividend payouts to shareholders. Following the declaration date, the company establishes a record date to determine eligible shareholders, with the ex-dividend date occurring 2 business days before the record date, denoting the final day a seller is entitled to collect dividends, even if they have sold their shares. Normal dividends are typically paid on a monthly or quarterly basis, while extra dividends are one-time distributions. Companies in certain sectors, like basic materials, oil and gas, financials, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, and utilities, historically produce high dividend yields. Conversely, startups and high-growth companies, like many technology plays, rarely offer high dividends, preferring to reinvest earnings into research, development, or expansion. Here are 3 key takeaways. 1. Homemade dividends signify investment income from the partial sale of an investor's portfolio. 2. Homemade dividends differ from traditional dividends issued by a company's board of directors. 3. The ability of investors to create homemade dividends has sparked debate about the value of traditional dividends. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.